Hi everyone! Success is not an accident. So, hindi siya yung overnight lang na makukuha mo. Success is pinaghihirapan siya. Natututunan siya. So, hindi siya instant na makukuha mo lang. Ang maganda, lahat tayo is designed to have a success life. But it's all depend on you, on how you get your success. And mas maganda na habang kinukuha mo yung success na meron ka, natututo ka. Kasi habang natututo ka, doon mo nakikita kung paano yung gagawin mo para maging successful ka. May mga tao na gustong mabilisan yung success. May mga tao naman na slowly but surely. So, it depends on us kung what kind of drive or what kind of tools yung gagamitin mo for you to become successful. So, lagi mo tatandaan na it's not an overnight success. Hindi siya yung instant na pagising mo, kinabukasan, successful ka na. Lagi andun yung merong you have to spend or exert time and effort for you to learn. Kagaya ng mga successful na athlete, it takes time for them to train themselves, work hard. Talagang yung mga dinodouble time nila, yung practice, yung effort for them to become successful like Michael Jordan, kung paano sila mag-practice. And habang ginagawa mo yun, it's a continuous effort of doing something. And habang ginagawa mo yun, natututo ka, nade-develop ka. Hindi lang physically, kundi mentally. So, everyone, successful is mas maganda you exert time, effort. Because mas magandang ikwento yung success